When I was looking into building the Evo X from Aoshima, I also discovered they have a photo etch set available. It's not really that expensive and a good add-on with some grills, even some detail for the wipers, some more clean-cut pedals. I'm made out of metal, so that could look really good. A couple of buttons and details for the interior, some mesh for the radiators and stuff, and also some clasps and buckles for the seat belts. They do have some of these weird looking discs as well. I presume this is inside and that is outside, and of course front and rear. They do have some weird grooves in them. I'm thinking of just flipping these around, putting the clean side out and sanding those to make them look like brake discs, as this weird grooving doesn't really look that good. They also added some metal transfer stickers to detail it up with some of the doors, even some logos, some mirrors, and some more logos. So as I said, the discs have this weird grooving. Luckily on the back they are sharp and clean, and with a bit of sanding they can be made to look into some used disc brakes and look a bit better than paint or that grooved side. It also comes with some instructions on which the rest is taped to. This is Aoshima, so it should fit pretty well to the kit itself. Also shows very clearly where you need to put them and a bit of instruction on how to put them on there as well.